So the very first topic in pathology you will see everywhere, it is cell injury. Okay, so what is cell injury? See, any pathology, any disease is happening, is going occurring in any kind of a system. The basic thing, the basic principle is, suppose respiratory system, if there is any problem in the respiratory system, what it means? It means that at a microscopic level, suppose there are lot of cells, suppose there are lot of cell at a microscopic level, those cells are not working as they should function. So this is the basic idea that disease is occurring means at a microscopic level the cells are not working as they normally should function. Okay, as they normally should function. Also, we know one thing from physiology, that suppose this is a pancreas and the pancreas is secreting insulin. Okay, insulin is secreted by beta cell. So if insulin is not secreted, then what is the problem? Then beta cell is having any kind of issue. So this is a direct we can see straight that the beta cell is not working, that's why insulin. So cell are the main cause of any kind of a disease. Okay, any kind of a disease. So now what are the causes of cell injury? What are the causes of cell injury? Okay, so the number one cause may be physical factor. What may be the physical factor? Suppose for example a temperature. Okay, temperature, if the temperature is going to be very high, actually, whenever there is an injury, the temperature is mostly about more than the temperature is more than 41 degree, because till 41 or 37 the body temperature is 37, right? So it doesn't cause any kind of an injury. So temperature, high temperature will lead to, for example, just for the sake, burn. Okay, burn. Or you are hot, in very hot utensils you hold, and it form a immediately blister or something like that, any kind of thing. If the temperature is low, it can cause for just for the sake, frostbite. Okay, um, so this is the physical. Also maybe mechanical also, you hit someone with something, it is also a mechanical injury. Number two is chemical. See, we can give a lot of example, but just for understanding, just for entering into our mind, that why chemical. Acid, you take acid, you take any kind of a harmful chemical, you pour into your skin, it lead to an injury, it lead to the skin damage, skin burn, skin anything, chemical injury. Okay, number third, infection. Okay, see, cells are alone, fine. Okay, so cell love to be alone, but if any kind of an organism come which is not good for the cell, it entered, it is using the cell resources to produce its own genetic material or protein or anything, and after it will after that it will attract neutrophil and all that stuff, cause infection. So this is an infection by any kind of bacteria or virus or pathogen. Okay, or parasite. Okay, number 4, is genetic. Genetic, at a gene level, the genes are not functioning as they should function, genetic. Okay, it is also can be divided into two, I think. Inherited or acquired. Okay, what is inherited? Suppose we took the example of pancreas. Suppose the pancreas, this beta cell, they are having gene to translation and for translation and transcription, and for secreting insulin. Okay, for suppose both the gene for the formation of insulin from your father and from your mother, if both are defective, that insulin is not produced. Because of what? Because of genetic reason. There is no uh, mistake of the person that he took a lot of sugar and nothing like that. Okay, so it is a genetic but inherited. What is acquired? Acquired. Okay, acquired. Suppose I'm smoking, and smoking lead cause cancer to my lungs. Okay, cause cancer to my lungs. We know that cancer is a genetic due to the oncogenic gene, or just in for understanding, Cancer is the break of the gene to for the formation. It is controlly divided, okay, but if the control is removed, it is dividing as much as you want, then there's a gene issue, okay, there is a gene issue. But this genetic disorder which occurred to me is due to what? Is it due to parents? No, it is due to because I started smoking, okay, because I smoked. So smoking can, just for understanding, okay, inherited and acquired. See, in the books, when you'll read, you might find other examples and other proper example, but that's fine. But the main idea of here is just to make enter into the mind to convince you that how physical, how chemical, okay, how infection, chemical, just pour any kind of a chemical. It is a chemical injury, right? But in the book, you will find other like some microorganism or even own body is producing certain kind of a toxin, or certain kind of a toxin or harmful substance entered by diffusion through the skin, or maybe someone inhaled or someone ingested by the food, okay. So in here is just to convince that yeah, chemical, how the chemical may be, how the infection may be, how the genetic may be, okay. See you in next video.